this is my channel. Today we're gonna do a toy review video. And these are just toys that I got either through my birthday, Christmas, or I just got it because my mom bought it for me. So we're gonna start with this. It is a Barbie. Wait, let me take the scarf off. So this is my doll. Her name is Rosalina, and I got her from a toy store in Elko. And now we're gonna do this. This is a monkey, and I got it from a set I got it from a Barbie set. And now this is like a big Barbie fluffy jacket. It's like for rock stars. And this, her name is Barbie Extra. And I got from on Amazon. And the big sweater was actually a sweater from her set. And now we're gonna show this. I got her from a toy store. It's on your way to Panaka, and her name is Sunflower. And this is a hot chocolate from a winter Barbie set. And this is a cape from a winter Barbie set. And this is a computer. And over here, there's these white pearly glasses. And this is a winter set. And there's this baby crib. And this is a snowman. Her name is Aaliyah, and that's done. She's a pony, and her name is Layla. And this is a rabbit. I got it from the library. You should get it. And her name is Frosting. And this is Elsa. I got it for my whole family. This is from another winter set. It's the same thing that the scarf was from and the hot chocolate was from. And this is a little thing from a set. And now we're done. And subscribe for our channel. I'll give you most of the views. And like always, you are always worth it. Bye, guys.